we'll guide you through how to upload zip file in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To upload a zip file in Google Drive, first open your Google Chrome browser on your computer or laptop. Click the search bar at the top of the browser window, type Google Drive, and press Enter on your keyboard to begin searching. From the search results, choose the first official link for Google Drive to open the website. If you do not already have a Google profile, click Create Account to start setting one up. Select For My Personal Use from the account type options provided. Enter your first name and last name in the required name fields. Then click Next to continue to the basic information page. Enter your birth date, including the exact day, month, and year. Choose your gender from the drop-down selection menu, and then click Next to proceed to the Gmail address setup section. Type a unique username for your new Gmail account and make sure it is available. Click Next to move to the security and password setup. Carefully enter your password in the first box and confirm it in the second box. Make sure your password is strong, unique, and difficult for others to guess. Next, scan the QR code using your mobile phone to verify your identity. You may also enter a recovery email address to help keep your account safe and accessible. If you do not wish to add a recovery email at this moment, click Skip to continue. Review your account information on the summary screen carefully, then click Next. Scroll down the Privacy and Terms page, read the details, and click the I agree button. Your Google Drive account is now officially ready to use. To upload a zip file, first create a folder by clicking the New button at the top left of the page. Select New Folder from the drop-down menu. Enter a name for your folder to keep your zip files organized, and click Create to finalize the setup. Open the newly created folder by clicking on it. Click the New button again. Select File Upload. Locate your zip file on your computer and click Open. Wait for the upload to finish completely. Your zip file is now securely stored in Google Drive.